Here we are at the airport. Let's find our check-in counter first.
The departures board is over there. We can check our flight number and gate.
We're on flight 732 to Amsterdam. The board says we should check in at desk 12.
Desk 12 is over there. The line doesn't look long.
Good, we can check in quickly and relax afterward.
Did you already check us in online?
Yes, I checked in online yesterday, but we still need to check the suitcase.
Okay, let's go to the counter.
Here are our passports and boarding passes.
Can you ask if we have window seats?
Sure. Yes, seats 18A and 18B. You have the window as usual.
Thanks. Let's go to security next.
We should prepare now. Remember, we should put the liquids in a clear plastic bag.
I already have mine ready. Also, I'll take my laptop out.
Perfect. Let's take off jackets and belts too.
Shoes as well.
Yes, shoes too. This way we can go through security faster.
Okay, everything's in the trays.
Good, let's walk through the scanner now.
All clear for me. Your turn.
Clear too. Let's collect our things.
Now let's check our gate again. Do you remember which gate it is?
Gate B5. It's on the boarding pass.
There are signs for gates B over there.
Yes, gate B5 is straight ahead. We still have some time.
Should we get something to drink while we wait?
Good idea. There's a cafe right next to our gate.
Perfect. Let's sit down for a while.
It's nice to rest before boarding.
I agree. Airports can be tiring.
Do you have everything you need for the flight?
Yes, my book, phone, and headphones. Did you bring any snacks?
I brought some chocolate and crackers in my bag.
Great. Sometimes I get hungry during the flight.
Short flights typically don't offer meals, only small snacks.
That's why it's good that we packed something.
I also want to buy a bottle of water. I'll be right back.
Okay, I'll wait here.
Got the water. I also got some gum to help with our ears during takeoff.
Good thinking. My ears always feel pressure during flights.
Gum really helps.
How much time before boarding?
20 minutes. Boarding usually starts about 30 minutes before departure.
They should call our boarding group soon.
Yes, we're in Group B.
Group B is usually after priority passengers.
We should listen for the announcement.
I think the crew has just arrived. They're getting on the plane now.
That means boarding will start soon.
Do you think this flight will be full?
It looks busy today. Lots of passengers around.
I hope our flight leaves on time.
Yeah, delays can be stressful.
But today everything seems okay.
They're starting boarding announcements now.
Group A first. We'll wait until they call Group B.
Good. Are you comfortable?
Yes, thanks. My jacket is in my bag if I feel cold.
Planes can get chilly. I have a sweater too.
They're calling Group B now. That's us.
Let's get in line. Boarding passes and passports are ready.
Do we just show these at the gate?
Yes, they'll scan our boarding passes and check our passports again.
Almost there.
After boarding, we can finally relax.
Down the jet bridge to the plane. This is exciting.
We're on board. Let's find our seats.
Here they are, seats 18A and 18B.
I'll put the backpacks in the overhead compartment.
Perfect. I'll take the window seat.
And I'll sit on the aisle. Comfortable?
Yes, this seat is good. Are you okay there?
Fine here. I'll keep gum ready for takeoff.
Did you switch your phone to airplane mode?
Yes, airplane mode is on. Yours?
Mine too. Good to go.
The crew is giving safety instructions now.
Let's pay attention even though we've heard it before.
Agree, safety first.
We're starting to move. It's exciting.
Takeoff is my favorite part.
Mine too, but sometimes I feel a little nervous.
Just relax and enjoy the view.
We're on the runway now.
Soon we'll be in the air.
I love seeing everything get smaller from the plane window.
It's amazing. Buildings, cars, everything becomes tiny.
Here we go. We're starting to take off.
We're in the air.
Wow, the view is beautiful today.
Clear skies make flying easier and smoother.
How long did you say our flight is?
About 2 hours.
Enough time to read and maybe rest a bit.
Yes, just enough time. Then we'll be in Amsterdam.
I can't wait. It's our first visit there.
Yes, it'll be fun to explore a new city.
Do you have plans for our first day?
We can start with a nice walk around the city center.
Sounds good. Maybe we can have dinner somewhere nice.
Sure. After we land, we can take a taxi or train to the hotel.
Do you think it'll be easy to find transportation?
Yes, Amsterdam Airport is big and well organized.
It's nice when airports are easy to navigate.
Agreed. But right now, let's just enjoy the flight.
Good idea. I'll read a little.
I'll listen to a podcast.
Enjoy your podcast.
Wow, this was a great conversation.
Yes, it was. If you want to practice more real life English, subscribe to the channel. And let us know what other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos.